Hello everyone, I'm Avinash, and in this video I am going to discuss about how we can make Indian flag using Python and Turtle. So yesterday was the Independence Day and I thought like how I will celebrate the Independence Day, and I was thinking like I should celebrate in something different way. So I thought like let's make Indian flag using Python and Turtle, and that's why I created this UI, like graphics UI. I used Python, so graphical user interface I used using Python. So here this is normal Turtle code. uh, I think everyone can understand this is simple Python and Turtle code. You have to import Turtle, and you have to import all the libraries of the Turtle. So I have used star here, so all the things will be imported here. And here I have used title for my window, and I have used setup, and I have given the size of my window. So like this you can do. This is simple only. I will not explain the code here. This is normal Python code. This is a function of Python. So you have to do like this, and you can see all the explanation in ChatGPT by pasting the code and of every section. So you can see that just for like normal some creativity I did this. So you have, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Let's run the code and see how was the output. So when I run the code, it's already running, I think. So let's stop it first. So it will run like this, and it will make it like this. So in Google, code is like this only, but something different. I have added some other things also to make it more beautiful. So you can do some more creativity also, and it will do like this. And yeah, I will paste the code in my description. You can get it from there. And happy Independence Day again to everyone. So hope you like the video, and if you like it, please share it also and subscribe the channel. Thank you all.